Hello. So we've got a few questions here for Karma. We're going to go through. We'll just go straight in on it. So we've got A plus A plus A plus A. Well, that means that there's four lots of A. So just 4A. A plus A is 2A, plus A is 3A, plus another A is 4A. We have B plus B, which is just 2B. There's no more B's left in there. And you've got C plus C plus C. So that's plus 3C. And this one, we have, see, this looks a bit different because you've got D's scattered and E's scattered throughout the place. So if we just put them all together, D plus D, make sure the signs are correct. These are the pluses, plus another D, and we got plus E plus E plus E plus E, which is 3D plus 4E. This one, we have 9G minus G, so that is just 8G, because that's 9G minus 1G, so that's 8G. On this one, we start with 12A, and then we minus an A, so that's 11A, minus another A, which is 10A, and 9A, and then 8A. So we have 8A. This one here, we have 12C minus 4C, which is 8C. We've got the numbers out in front there. This one again, they're scattered throughout, so we'll put them together. 3D plus 8D, and we've got plus 11E. Oh, what am I doing there? E, and plus 9E. So we've got, oh, 8D, 8D. We've got 3D plus 8D, well, that's equal to 11D. And then we've got 11E plus 9E, so we've got plus 20E. Just counting, so it's quite simple at this point. 12M, and we're going to do this again, so we'll put them in order. We've got 12M minus 5M plus 6N plus 8M. So we've got 12 minus 5, which is 7, which is 7M, and we've got 6 plus 8, which is 14. So we've got 14. This one, they're all scattered about again, so we'll do that again, put them in next to each other. P plus P minus 4P. And we've got plus 11Q, we're just reading it left to right, and then we've got minus 3Q. So sorry, you have to ignore all this stuff here, this is my maths. So, so where were we? We got 19P plus P, well that's just 20P, and then we got minus 4P, so that's 16P. You can read it like that, just from left to right. We've got 11Q minus 13Q, well that's just 8Q, we've got plus 8Q. And on this last one, we've got the final one, so not too bad, we went through this pretty fast. We've got 19A, I'm going to put them order again, so we've got 19A plus 5, minus 5A. You've got to make sure that the signs are correct, don't ruin your signs because it will come out completely different and you won't get a mark for it. So you might get a mark for the rest of it, but you might lose half a mark with it. So minus 5A, and then we'll do the B's next. So you've got plus 18B, and then you've got minus 4B, and that's all the B's done. You can cross them out if you want to. If you've got a really long line of ones and you don't want to get lost, you can cancel it out because this here, all this is the same as that, minus the C's at the moment. But we've got plus 3C plus 5C. I'm running out of space. do this just below here. We've got 19a minus 5a, well that's 14. And you've got 18b minus 4b, well that's just 14b again. B again, A the first time. And we've got 3c plus 5c, which is 8c. And there we have it. I hope that was a lot of help. You can take a screenshot of that if you want. Oh, actually, I'll show you. I'll delete this. I'll show you. We'll do it for this one. Show you how I do it. Maybe we just rewrite it. Oh, once we do that. Oh well. I don't know what it says anymore. 19a plus 18b plus 3c plus 5c minus 4b minus 5a is equal to 7. I'm going to put that down here. We group them all together like we did before. 19a minus 5b, 5a, and you got plus 18b, and you've got minus 4b, and then you've got plus 3c plus 5c. So what I like to do is, because they have the same they have the same variable here, joins them, we can put 19 minus 5a. And then you can work out the number you're just using this. It just looks a lot simpler for me. This is how I do it. You might not see it in school, but this is how I do it. You've got plus 18, put brackets, and there's a b, and minus 4, because you've got 18 minus 4b. They're the same variable here. And then lastly, you got 3 plus 5c. I don't know what happened there, sorry about that. Is equal to, now we can work it out. 19 minus 5 is 14a, and then you've got 14b, and then you've got 8c. Yeah, there's another way of doing it, but if you don't get that way, maybe just do it the first way. But